The Lexus LC showers consideration on front travelers, and everything except disregards those toward the rear. Extravagance roadsters like the Lexus LC Donna Euro TMT truly have enormous secondary lounges on their need records. Panache is enormous, huge is out. At the end of the day, Donna Euro TMT make excessively a Euro TMS score of 5 out of 10 for comfort. It procures focuses for brilliant front seats and delightful craftsmanship, yet surrenders them altogether in Ray's situate space. Lexus styled the LC cockpit to resemble an unfurling bloom. The natural waves that finish the seats arena Euro TMT simply outline, the Euro TMR ribs that upgrade the seat bolster. Front travelers get measured solidly set up, yet more lumbar help would be welcome. More knee room, as well, since the dash frames a tall, wide divider that isolates the driver from the passenger. At 187 inches in length and with its 113-inch wheelbase, the LC could have a lot of rearward sitting arrangement space. It does a Euro TMT. The space moves forward, leaving Porsche 911-style butt containers for whomever sets out to slip toward the rear. The LC does a Euro TMT extravagant space on little things, either, and the 5.4 cubic foot trunk recoils much more on the crossbreed. The cockpit cuts out simply enough space for two and practically overlooks anything you push toward the rear. Well-being scores are inaccessible, and most likely will remain so, and mileage is low on the 8 LCs. Half and halves score as high as the 911, however they rely upon an immensely complex drivetrain. Lexus fits one of the Industria Euro TMS most exceedingly terrible infotainment frameworks to the LC, yet pampers the lot with excellent trim, a glass rooftop, and an ethereally clear top-of-the-line sound framework. With the LC, Lexus fills the opening abandoned by the previous SC convertible. The Euro TMS mission is totally extraordinary. A Euro TMS a lead for Lexus, one that a Euro TMS undeniably passionate and centered. The cost is a Euro TMT an amazement. At that point, the LC 500 begins from $92,995, the LC 500 hours from $97,405.